With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In the given question, three statements are given. First statement said that Van Arkel D4 method is used for the purification of titanium. Second is in Van Arkel method iodine is used. Third is zone refining is based on chromatography. So here we said that first we Van Arkel method, that is Van Arkel method. So this method is used for the purification of titanium and zinc. So it purify the metals, metals like titanium and zinc. So it is after it refining, so it is used to obtain, after it refined we use to obtain ultra pure metals. It is also used to obtain by this process ultra pure metals, and this process is also known as vapor phase refining. Vapor phase refining. So our first statement said that Van Arkel method is used for the purification of titanium, so it is true. Second statement, in Van Arkel method iodine is used. So when the metal are heated, it is said that when metal are heated with iodine, metal are heated with iodine at about 500 Kelvin, it forms volatile compound. It forms volatile compound. For example, when TiI4 is heated at 1700 Kelvin, it forms titanium. So here we saw that the iodine is used in Van Arkel method. So this statement is also correct. Next is our zone refining is based on chromatography. So we saw that zone refining. So this method is used for the principle that impurities are more soluble. Its principle is that impurities in this principle impurities are more soluble in molten state of metal as compared to solid state. This method is used for to obtain the purest pure crystal of impurities element by the process of melting and crystallization. So this statement said that the zone refining is based on chromatography, so it is false. It is based on purification. So our correct option is our true, false, that is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.